You're gonna be surprised at how quickly you can set and place windows in Archicad. In this video, you're going to master how to set windows, place them in an R+1 story. Whereas in the last video, we placed doors. Video linked above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. Well, we are going to move on to setting the windows, and to do that, navigate to Windows under Design. Select the type of windows we are going to use for this project. Use the double window 27. Move to preview and positioning. The first window 2.0 meters. Height of the window 1.70 meters. The seal height 0.5 meters. Once done, navigate down to basic window settings. Use my mouse pointer and move across these. Uniform frame width, select that. Under handles, select on window handle and use style 2. Under opening line, select override model view options and unselect opening line. Navigate in front, move directly down to glass this way. Under glass, you change this to satin, and then change all this wood to mahogany. Window surfaces to be uniform. Navigate ahead right on to where we are going to see casing. I have an outside casing for our windows and an inside casing for our windows. Once done, move to floor plan and section. Select override object line, override object pen. Change this color. I'm going to change this color here to hash, which is this one, this way. Select this. Under here, I'm going to change this to hash. Change this window color to blue. Allow this other section. Move to dimension maker. Under dimension maker, from no make, use basic window door skylight maker. Select uniform marker pen. Move down to marker styles. Change this A to 75. Text size, type in 0.8. Change the color this way to arch, which is this. Move down to marker settings. On marker settings, instead of by, place X, and under classification and properties, I'm going to have WD. By WD1, and on the numbering, put 0, 1. So window type 1, number 1. Once done, click OK and position the first window, which is this 2 meters. The next window, which is 2 meters, is the window for the room. Place it here. Another window, which is 2 meters, is the window for the dining. Position it somewhere here. We are going to unselect that, select on the window and shift it to actually be at the wall edge. So you want to just drag it to be at the wall edge such that it fits well. Do the same for this window. We are going to shift it to this wall and then drag in 0.6. Press enter. We are going to select this window and move it to this point. Drag in 1 meter. Move to the second set of windows. Select on window. Under preview and positioning, we are going to change the window to 1.50. Move down to window classification. We are going to change this window. This is the second set of windows, so it will be WD201. Click OK. We are going to position that window this way, and then we are going to place one this way in the kitchen. Once done, we are going to select the window. Try to adjust it to touch the wall. This window, we are going to select it and drag it to this point. I'm going to drag in 0.5. Press enter. To move to the 1 meter window, which is the window at this edge, so we are going to double click on windows. Under classification and property, we are going to type in WG301. Click OK. The height of the window is 2.10. Width of the window is 1 meter. We are going to position the window this way. We just have to select it and drag it to this point. Position the dining windows, and to do that, we are going to select on windows. Change from this style of windows to the window 27, which is this. Move to preview and positioning. The width of the window is going to be 0.50. The height is going to be 2.10. Move to classification and properties. We are going to set it as WD401. Once done, click OK. Move to this point. Position the first window. Select it to be at the edge. Ctrl Shift D to make a copy of this window and type in 1 meter. Ctrl Shift D to make another copy and type in 1 meter. And Ctrl Shift D to make the last copy and type in 1 meter. So as you can see, the window WG401, WG401, the windows are numbered because we just made a copy. So you have to select the window and move to window settings. Under classification, you're going to change this to WD02. This way you're going to select it and click on Windows, change it to WD03. Same with the last one, select this, click on Windows, we are going to type in WD04, click OK. The next windows we are going to work with is the toilet window, and we are going to click on Windows. We are just going to change the seal height for this window. So this window, we are going to type in 0.70. The seal height will be 1.50. The width of the window will be 0.70. Press enter. Position the window somewhere here. So that's WD402. Select the window. Double click on Windows. Probably we are going to change, instead of WD04, we are just going to type in WD501. Once done, we are going to click OK. Select this window, drag to this point, select the window and type in 0.3. Press enter. So we have the windows for the ground story all positioned properly, and these same windows we're supposed to move to the first story. Navigate to the first story and get rid of the first story. Navigate back to ground story, select all of these, right click, copy, navigate to the first story, control, and we paste this so that we have our windows already placed. We have a wall of 2.15 m above this way, so select this wall, control shift D on your keyboard, make a copy of 2.15 meters. We are going to reduce this opening to 1.20. Press enter, and we have an opening this way. We are going to click on doors, move to hinge doors we used for last time, and it's not OP. We are going to put it DR2, probably that should be 08. Okay, we are going to position the door this way. Select the door and move to the edge. So this is the dressing and this is the toilet. These windows are really big. Get rid of this window, click on window settings, and this is the toilet window, 0.7, 0.7. I want to position it this way. Select from this point, drag up to this point, and then shift it down to 0.7. Press enter. Do the same for this case. You're going to click on windows on this point. This is the dressing window and this is the toilet window. Preferably for the dressing window, I like to place it at the corner, like at this edge. So we have our windows well placed for this project. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely gonna love what we have next. Click here to discover how to place openings in balconies. See you on the other side, my friend.